persons with disability, and I want to inform all MCAs this, employment is automatic. Hakuna yule mtu anakuja na ako mlemavu hatuwezi kuajiri. Makazi kwa sheria zinawekwa kwa gazeti, alafu watu wana apply. Walemavu waki-apply, hakuna hata mmoja tutasema hauna qualification, hauna nini. Hiyo ni automatic. Tumeshatenga 750 ECD teachers. Kwa hawa wale wanafanya kazi sahihi, 3 ni walemavu, na hakuna mtu aliambiwa huwezi kufundisha ama nini. Mkiwa na watu walemavu in any kind of form, mkiona advert mtuletee majina tafadhali.
The government encourages the public to participate in this demutualization, and we think that it's a huge opportunity for women. And just to add also, our constitution has really emphasized on women being participants in the economy. Right now, we have the new constitution, and that has given us quite a bit of positivity in the country. We're seeing a lot of interest, and also when you look at compositions of the boards, women have really been lagging behind, but many companies are now ensuring that they have representation in ownership of companies. So you're seeing a shift. I think we're seeing more women getting interested in the corporate sector in the country, and we think that we are on for improvement in this area.